Philippines!
Hello guys, good afternoon. What time is it? Oh my god, 2:20 na. So talk to them lang. What?
Hi guys, stop and see if they dropped off that new piece.
Now over here?
No, yeah, we'll do it on the way back.
Just do, oh my god, this is like always telling me what to do.
Where's my brush? You throw it away again.
Oh, it's in the trunk. You want it?
Okay, I don't know why I bother you so much. What's up, guys? Yeah, I need a brush for my hair, but my wife keeps taking it and
Okay,
throwing
go
it away 'cause
ahead.
she don't like the way it looks.
I'll go get.
No, you get it when we get there.
Jeez, it's like
So annoying to her to have this little brush here.
Hey guys, so ngayon guys, magpunta lang kami sa bangko na naman guys. Magkuha na naman kami ng aming million. Joke. Mag-open kami ng account. Ibang account. Kasi si Tami. Hey,
We have to do a new account because apparently they're having a problem with the old account. And they say they sent money, but they didn't send any money. Even if it's very little, but that's today what happens. And, you know, and you can't call these people and try and resolve it. It's like you send them a message. So the idea is to get a different account, make that strictly for them, and hopefully it'll be easier to deal with.
We're talking about Facebook account guys. And, you know, so ayaw ni Tami ilagay yung account niya kasi for safety reason. So we're gonna open a new account, both of us. Our name together or just you? Join the account now.
Yeah, we'll do a joint account.
Oh, we're gonna join the account. You trust me? I'm gonna take all the money.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, you whatever. Ay, nako lang. Anyway, so that's what our agenda for today is, running errands to do the thingy. And hopefully this woman's not gonna walk.
So that's what we're doing. Take care of that. Be done. I gotta ask you, why is it you never want me to drive? You always want to drive. Why is that?
No.
And then you do weird things. The guy cleaning up the road. He's around a cable somehow. They're doing property measurements. What? Don't run over him with a tire.
Groundhog? No, I didn't. Ay, nako.
Close.
No. So, yeah, you're asking me why I like driving?
Right.
Because I do like driving. I want to drive because for now I do like driving. When the times come and I don't feel like driving, you drive. So that's the answer.
See guys, here's the thing. For us, we like spend every day 4 hours, 5 hours in traffic every day, until driving is not fun anymore. To her, it's still fun because there's really no traffic. You know, once in a while she'll have to sit in traffic for a couple of minutes. But around here, there's really not that much traffic.
He's talking about, guys, Manhattan.
Going to the city.
Going to the city, and I don't really want to drive to the city.
That's been pretty much my whole freaking life. So, yeah, you can spend in the city. You can spend 3 hours to go 20 miles. I mean, that's just how it works. And then they complain about congestion pricing, but if you ever watch the city. They put everything under construction. They block off streets. They do everything in their power to make traffic as bad as possible. And then tell you it's because there's too many cars.
Okay. What do you think of this vlogging thing and being a vlogger? Tell me what's your thought and what you feel now. You have to get used to it more, right?
Yeah, you have to be able to get into it more or something.
That's what happened when you just started, guys. You're not really like, especially Tommy.
It's hard. I'm used to talking to people, but people being in front of me, it's hard when those people are on the other side of a camera.
Or in the other world, in the Philippines.
So it's kind of hard talking to people who aren't there. You don't see their facial responses. You don't have an interaction. Across the line. That's just a little tough for me. That's all. But hey, you get used to everything in life. It's just a matter of timing.
Tommy need to trim his face. Oh, not his face. The buhok, the beard. He need to trim it.
Today was, you could feel winter in the air today. It was like 30 something degrees this morning.
It's cold, guys. It is 30 something this morning.
Yes.
Oh my God, it's freezing.
So you can feel that touch of winter in the air already. But it's okay. You're at the end of October. You should feel winter.
Wintry. And this month, November, I'm going to take the small Christmas tree. Because guys, yung plano ko is I'm not going to put the big tree. This time, I'm just going to put a few small Christmas tree in the house. And then, you know, turn it on at night for a few hours, 3 hours like that. And that's it, because the electric, it's crazy high. So, I'm sure not just me, everybody will not gonna do like crazy Christmas decors. Because the electric bill is just high. It's nuts. Ito na kami sa bangko, kaso walang tao. Naghintay pa kami ng matagal. Kayo sa konting pakita ko sa inyo yung mga dahon. Ang ganda, 'di ba? Guys, andito na tayo sa bahay, nakauwi na kami. So ipakita ko po sa inyo guys, kung mahilig po kayo sa lamb, yung mga ganitong klaseng lamb, ganito, kung mahilig kayo, kapag lutuin po ninyo ito, and then gusto ninyo, hello, si Habs gusto talaga niya. This is not for you. Oh, look. It's not for you, baby. It's still not cooked. So, kung gusto ninyo ito, and then magluto kayo, dry siya, no? Dry. So, ang ipakita ko sa inyo yung sobrang easy lang naman, no? Common sense ba? Common sense sa pagluluto. Teka muna, ha? Kung mailabas ko ito. No, ito bang pusa ko ba? Gusto talaga niyang, ito siya lang yung lamb natin, guys. Ito siya, look. Look, ito siya. This is a rack of lamb. Expensive, guys. Honestly, mahal na mahal yan. Kasi hindi namin yan palaging mapipili. Usually noon, mura pa yan guys. Nagmahal na lahat. So kaya hindi na namin binibili. So last week, nag-decide si Tami na bumili nito. Dahil alam niya na gustong gusto ko ito. Hindi lahat ng tao kumakain ng lamb. Kasi nga may aftertaste siya. Okay? Meron siyang mga parang, kung kakain ka ng goat, may aftertaste or something na parang yung may ibang lasa, okay? So, sanayan lang po yan siya, guys. Kung masasanay ka sa ganyang lasa. So, ang sikreto lang po nito, guys, ipakita ko sa inyo, ha? Ang sikreto lang po nito is, ito yung nalagyan ko, di ba? May tubig sa ilalim. Nilagyan ko ng tubig sa ilalim para maging moist. Para yung steam magpunta sa meat. Kasi usually kapag wala siyang ganun, parang dry siya. And then, ang pag-season lang nito is very simple para sa akin. At also, masarap siya. Kahit si Tami, simple lang yung seasoning, guys. Asin, paminta, and then, granulated garlic. So, yun lang yun siya. Ganyan lang kayan. And then, i-bake mo siya for 400 degree. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? So, ito na yun siya, guys. Ang gagawin ko lang po nito is salt, okay? Salt. Kasi yun magdalang lasa, ang salt. Okay? So, and then paminta. Paminta. And then, next is itong ating granulated na garlic. powder. Granulated nga siya. Ayan. Simple lang siya guys. Very simple. And then, pagkatapos niyan, baliktarin natin. So, hindi lahat ng mga tao kumakain ng lamb. Okay? Lalo na pag Pinoy, wala ito palagi sa atin, di ba? So, noon, pinakaayaw ko po itong kainin. Pinakaayaw ko, sabi ko, hindi ko ito kakainin kasi sobrang ang lasa. Yan, may aftertaste talaga siya. Basta ganun. So, ang nangyari, guys, ano siya, ang nangyari, luto ako nito ng luto. Dahil sa aking biyanan at tami. Kasi mahilig po sila talaga nitong kumakain. So, luto ako ng luto. Ang nangyayari, ako po yung naluto. Ang nangyayari, nagustuhan ko yung amoy, mas maganda yung amoy. And then,
Amoy. Amoy.
I explain why I like this now, the lamb. So I keep cooking and then I smell everything every years and years, and then I said I like the smell of it now. I get used to it, so I have to taste it. So
It was much cheaper when she didn't like it.
yeah, when I don't like it, it was cheaper. Now it's expensive. 40 bucks for this thing, so it's really expensive.
It's mostly bone.
And mostly bone. That's true. Mostly bone. So it is really. It was like I don't want him to buy this, guys, but he decided.
She does, guys.
He decided to do it because he said that my wife like it and he doesn't want me to get it, so I get it when she's not around. When
She
she's.
really does want me to buy it. She don't let her lie to you.
Huh?
Every time we're out, she looks at
Show
them.
your face.
Every time we're out, she looks at them and says, "Oh, they're too expensive. I'm not gonna get it." Every time. So the only way I can do it is when she's not with me and say, "Okay, she wants it." She keeps looking at them, but then she never gets them. So.
And what kind of animals is this, Chef?
Shit? No. Sheep?
Sheep?
Lambs.
Yeah, it's
Have you
carnero.
had a lamb?
Yeah, it's a carnero,
These are
guys.
the way they
You
smell?
know,
And everywhere
in the
everywhere.
Philippines,
They're
in the Christianity, we really don't eat this because this is the special animals. Special is a carnero in God, in the side of Jesus. You know, carnero. Pero I don't know why. I don't know if it's illegal to eat this, but over here you can eat it. Okay, so that's it. And lutuin ko siya 400 degree yung oven. And then, lutuin ko siya ng 60 minutes. Well, actually, there's no time. It's up to me. It's up to me. Kasi nga, gusto ko yung brown, na crunchy na siya. And then, luto na siya. And then, yan. So, ito po siya, guys. Look. Puro lang siya bone. They call this rack of lamb. So, rack, I don't know, gitawag nila rack. It's like bones. And preheated na siya. So, ilagay natin siya. Then, i-check natin mamaya.
Yeah, that's it exactly. So we got
There's sides in there. Does both sides of the door? But that's usually for inside doors.
So yun guys, ayun na, tapos na yung ating lamb. Kinakat ko na lang siya kasi nga, after pala mong ilabas siya sa oven, huwag mo niya siyang ikat. Maghintay ka ng 5 minutes para mag-stay yung juice doon. Sobrang juicy niya as in. So kakain lang kami guys, at ito lang naman yung pagkain na maraming Pilipino na hindi kumakain. Kain tayo guys, sarap nito. Hiwalay pa rin kami ni Taming matulog. This is third night na ito. Hindi pa rin kami magkasamang matulog dahil dapat dalawang gabi dapat i-testing yung ganon dahil nga sa mga humihilig kung hindi ba siya yung iwan ko basta ganon, pero yung dalawang gabi dapat niya i-testing, pero yung first night niya is nag-fail. So yun, ngayon is pangatlo. Sana kahagabi is nag-okay. Wala naman, hindi naman tumutunog yung machine na sinuot niya. Oh, my husband is wearing red. He's a red clown. Clown. I don't see bad things clown. It's like Santa Claus. Santa Clown. Good night. I love you.
I love you too, Hi guys. What are you doing?
No, there's a lot of cat hairs under there. What if it's gonna blow and go to the fire? Han, don't even clip Dimples. Go in there. Close it. Take that off. Do you wanna go, Hubs? You will cry later, Han. You know that.
I know, so you can let him out.
Sorry, Dems. You're not allowed, Dems. Yeah, guys, you know why Dimple's not allowed? She's a bad girl. Iihi kasi yan doon kasi carpet. So, bawal siya doon. Bawal sa taas. Kaya yun, look. Siya lang yun doon. And then mamaya iiyak na naman yan. Go, Dada! Hops, go! Night, love! Anyway, guys, good night. See you tomorrow. Bye! Hiwalay muna kami.